Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Data Structure Fundamentals 2, Mat2 Answer3. So the first question is how to sort a linked list, right? So I prepared an answer for this. Okay, so there few different ways. One of the ways would be like let's say I would take the first element and I would check, and if I found another small element, then I would mark that element. Like if I find the small element smaller than this first element, then I would mark it as the first element, and after that I would take the second, like, and like I would replace them. Okay, in a, what I would mean by, let's say it's one, right? So there is no other smaller element, so one would be remain one, and then there is five, then the four. So I would replace them both, and then I would move on. And I said it's eight. That's not smaller than four. Now 10. It's not smaller than four. So and the three, it is smaller than. So I would replace them both, and then here my 5 was here and 4 was here, 4 is here now, and 3 is here. So it's like like a brute force way. It would have almost the complexity of n square. So there is a better way, I guess. And what we do in that way is it's we divide the linked list in two. Okay, so by using the slow and fast pointer approach, so we divide it by in two points. So let's say this is the linked list, so there would be 2 points. The middle point would be here, so this is one linked list, this is another, and then we divide it again. So this is one linked list, or uh, like this one would be the one linked list and this is the another other, or the another thing can be that this is one linked list and this is another. So it can happen like that. So in like current scenario, I'm considering this is the one linked list and this is another. Then here what happens is this is one linked list and this is another. So I cannot divide this single, there is only one element, so I cannot divide it. So that's why it's just by itself. And this 1 and 5, that can be divided. So I have divided in them further, and this is one linked list and this is another. So now if we see that, uh, like this is linked list with a single element, so it is a sorted linked list in itself, right? And this is also, and this is also. So what we have done is, like, we have divided a single linked list into multiple linked list, and all of them are sorted linked list, right? And this is a recursive approach, so like it would work. Then I merge these two sorted linked list into a one linked list, right? So 1 and 5. So it's when I merge them, like I would get 1 and 5, right? And then I merge this sorted linked list with this sorted linked list. So when I merge them, I will get 1, 4, and 5. Same goes for here. Like these are two sorted, so I would get 8 and 10. Then I merge it with 3, so I would get 3, 8, and 10. And then I merge them again. So like in here, I would explain how would I merge two sorted linked list. So let's say I am here. This is my head, and this is my another head. So I would check whichever one is the smaller would be the my new head. So this is my one of my head. Then I'm at here 4. My first node is 4, and the 3. Then I compare 4 and 3, and whichever is the smaller would come first. And then I'm at 4 and 8. Whichever one is the smaller will come first. Then I'm 5 and 8. So smaller one is 5, though it comes first. Then I've exceeded this linked list, and I have remain in this linked list. But that linked list is already sorted, right? So I can just add it as it is. So my last linked list would be 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, and 10. So I guess this would be the approach I would take. I guess it is called merge sort. So um, okay. Another question is how to insert a node in the middle of a doubly linked list, right? So I would remove this quickly. Okay. So there is a doubly linked list A, B, C, D, and E. So like these are the pointers pointing towards each other because it's a doubly linked list. This is my head. So I need to enter F. Let's say after B and before C, right? So I would take F. Then I would say like F's next would be B's next, right? So my F is already pointing in the next, and then I would say the C's previous, right? And sorry, yes, and F's previous, yes, F's previous. So would be the B itself, right? And then what I would say is right now I'm just changing the previous of F, right? I haven't changed B and C, like the next and previous of B and C, right? So what I would say is like now uh, mm, I have got the link of B and C. So the next thing that I would do is like B's next it should be F. So I would remove this pointer, and C's previous should be this. So I should remove this pointer. Now like A, I in forward direction, if you see, like I've connected A to B, B to F, F to C, C to D, and D to E. That's already connected. So and in backwards I E to D, D to C, C to F, F to B, and B to A, right? So this is how I will add a node inside a W linked list. Uh, I guess this is it. Thank you.